If your HP OfficeJet Pro 6900 printer stops feeding pages and a paper jam error displays on the printer control panel, your printer has a paper jam. Fix the jam and clear the error message to resume printing. Remove jammed paper from the input tray, ink cartridge access area, and ADF, or automatic document feeder. On the printer control panel, press OK to attempt to clear the jam automatically. If the error persists, lift the output tray and then slide out the input tray. Remove all loose and jammed paper from the input tray. Power off the printer. Go to the rear of the printer. Disconnect the power cord and any other attached cables. Disconnect the other end of the power cord from the power source. The power cord must be disconnected before reaching inside the printer to avoid risk of injuries or electric shock. Turn to the front of the printer.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear range extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts.
Use your fingers to lift the flip gate. Remove any jammed paper found. Lower the flip gate. Reinsert the paper path cover until it snaps into place. Close the ink cartridge access door. Lift the tab on the front edge of the ADF. Remove any jammed paper you find. Close the ADF cover. Go to the rear. Plug the power cord back into the power source. HP recommends you use a wall outlet for best results. Reconnect the other end of the power cord to the printer and then reconnect any other previously connected cables. Return to the front. Power on the printer. Slide out the input tray and load paper. Slide in the input tray. Try to print your document again. If there is still a paper jam error on the printer, continue to the next step. Make sure the carriage moves freely across the width of the printer to make sure no jams remain. Use a flashlight to look for paper that might restrict the carriage. Remove any paper or objects you find. Check the rollers and wheels for any torn pieces of paper that might remain inside the printer. If pieces remain, more jams can occur. Reach inside the ink cartridge access door and manually move the carriage to one side and then to the other side. Remove any debris in the carriage path. Close the ink cartridge access door. Go to the rear. Try to print your document again. If there is still a paper jam error on the printer, continue to the next step. Dust and debris on the paper feed rollers can cause paper jams and paper feed issues. Cleaning the rollers can help resolve and prevent jams. Before you begin, gather the following cleaning materials: a lint-free cloth, cotton swab, and distilled or bottled water. Power off the printer. Open the ink cartridge access door. Grasp the gray handle of the paper path cover, lift up and out to remove it. Use your fingers to lift the flip gate. Dampen a cotton swab with water. Remove any excess water with a lint-free cloth. Locate the two paper feed rollers and clean them with the swab to remove any buildup or debris. Rotate each roller as you finish cleaning a section to clean the entire roller. Lower the flip gate. Reinsert the paper path cover until it snaps into place. Close the ink cartridge access door. Lift the ADF cover. Locate the ADF rollers and clean them with the cloth to remove any buildup or debris. Rotate each roller as you finish cleaning a section to clean the entire roller. Close the ADF cover. Try to print your document again. If there is still a paper jam error on the printer, continue to the next step. If no jammed paper remains in the printer and you are still getting a paper jam error message, reset the printer. The printer should automatically power on. If it does not, press the power button. Try to print your document again. If there is still a paper jam error on the printer, continue to the next step.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.